Today we are going to make potato wedge. For that we will require 3 large potatoes, 1 onion, yellow turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds powder and red chilli powder. As well as we are going to need half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder as well as 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wash the potatoes, rinse it very well, rinse it with scrubber so that the dirt will get removed from its skin, and wash the onion. Now peel the skin of potatoes and onion. So we have here 3 peeled large potatoes and 1 onion with skin that is peeled is removed. Let's chop the potatoes. Chop it in halves, like this. Now chop it like this. We have chopped our potatoes here. Let's chop the onion. So we have chopped 3 large potatoes here like this, and onion, 1 onion. Take big deep pan or kadhai and put 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Switch on the flame and let it get hot. Now our oil is hot enough. So let's put 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in it. Let the mustard seeds splutter in it. We are going to add 1 chopped red onion in it. Let's mix it in oil. Should get transparent. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Let's cook. Let's put the asafoetida in it. Asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Let's put 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder in it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of red chilli powder in it. Now we are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder in it, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder in it. Now we are going to mix it. Now let's add our chopped 3 large potatoes in it. Let's mix it. Now let it cover with the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low medium flame. Let's add salt in it. Mix it. Let's cook it for another 5 minutes, covering the lid. Garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Mix it. Let's cook it for another 1 minute. After covering the lid, our potato wedge is ready. Let's serve it. Potato wedge is ready. It's hot. Serve it with hot piping rice or chapati or bhakri, whole wheat flour bread. You can eat it with whole wheat flour bread or hot piping rice. If you like my recipe, please comment and share and like the button.